What I want to bring you today is a simple and easy installation of security camera. Now, this is a wireless system. All right, so this is 4 cameras, wireless. It's an NVR, so they can record 24/7. It comes with a 1 terabyte drive, and also with display built in, 12 inches. Now, the next thing of this, you turn the camera on, it's wireless, and automatic connects to the NVR system. There is no pair to do, nothing else. You take out of the box and you connect it. And now, because it's wireless, you can put it anywhere around the house. The only thing required is just power up the camera. Now, the next thing on this, let's imagine for a second that you want to put a location there's no internet, but you want the system to be able to record, and you can do that. It doesn't require any internet because the camera connects itself to the NVR system. That's a nice thing too. Now, if I want to control the cameras remote, sure, when I'm connected to the internet now, download the application, I can control all the cameras right from the app. I'm going to show you this right now. All right, so what I just did, took everything out of the box to make it more simple. Now, what we get out of the box, so we have 4 HD cameras, 2K, Wi-Fi. Right? Each camera comes with their own transformer, 110 to 40, and each camera comes with the hardware, no trips to the hardware store. Now we have a patch cable to connect this to the router. But did I tell you the whole thing is wireless? So if you want, you can use it now. You don't have to. And it comes with a cool tiny mouse to be able to control this. And by the way, you can install a keyboard if you want as well too. All right. Now change cameras and show you little details in here. All right. So manual here. Okay. And pretty simple to follow anyway. This video will go over all those details. Okay, so I'll explain to you on this video. So we see here 12-inch screen. Power, by the way, you don't need to press to turn it on. Automatic, you plug it in, it will turn it on. That's the way the NVRs are. But it does have a power to turn it off, not to turn it on. Power light, and when you see the light blue and turns on and off, that means the hard drive is actually recording. We're looking around this side, not in this side. If you're looking right in the back, all right, we have the 1 terabyte drive. There are instructions there. If you wanted to replace it, you can go up to 6 terabyte, and it's solid state drive. But you don't have to because it's already done. It does the antennas. Now, if we look in this way, what we have here is audio output, HDMI output to go into another TV, or 1 connection, not just 45. If you want to really connect it to a router, you don't have to because it's wireless. 2 Type A USB, mouse, keyboard, if you want a keyboard, or connect to another drive to take the information out of here, like a backup, and 12 volts. Now, this is pretty simple. I'm going to plug it in. It will automatically turn on. Now, on the next section, you guys, I will go over full details on the configuration. Let's go this way. That's the power. All right, just want to show you how simple is that, okay? So we got that right now. All right, so we see here after you power it up, that's what you get. Now, how easy is to plug a camera? Pretty simple. I'm going to plug 1 camera with the power. Okay? And by the way, on the camera wise, we see here it has a night vision. The 2 antennas. Here is to install a micro SD card. You don't have to. Don't do that because it connects to the system. And here we have the RJ45 connection. We're not going to do that because it's wireless. And the power, that's the only thing we need right now. So you will see this, it will actually light up as you see there. Okay, so it's resetting itself. So coming up in about a second. Okay, I think because of the lighting I have here, it's going to go into night vision. All right. But you see that by default, already started. I don't need to do anything. By default, it's already getting there. All right. Perfect. If I hook up a second camera, we'll light up the second square. If I have another one, 34, that's it. On the next section, we're going to go on full screen and I show you the whole details, how we get this running, how to install the app. Super easy. You will see in 1, 2, 3, you will have a running and protect, right? Your property, business, or home right now. All right, let's go into it. A few things here. We can see the number of the cameras, if it has connection or not. We can see the timer right in the bottom. Windows, on Windows we can change the view 416A, and we can change to a different views. Depends how many cameras you connect into the system. All right, so we got that there. We have a video playback. All right, and when I click in video playback in automatic, you see there what I will show you right in the beginning, right? If you see in the side, it shows you day, hour, so you can check and go back and check any day, and you can see real time. All right, let's go back again. Now we have the AI playback. That's for human detection. So if you click there, and the video will search if it's any human, because in reality, if it gets activated by a bear is bear, human. So I don't want to see the bear. Maybe I want to see, you know, a human body, right? So that will do that for you. That's what they call the AI search. Then in video backup, now we can back up the video and put it in an external drive in case that we need to pull that video out. Volume control, setup guide, we're going to do that in a second. We have a Wi-Fi relay, a camera as well. Wi-Fi, we can do that, and it will search by Wi-Fi if you want it, but when you plug it in, it will automatically detect, and we can exit the system. Now on the window, we show you that manage the camera. When you manage the camera, it's going to show you all the IP address, all the cameras and information. You can modify, you can search, you get one, and you can do a lot of modifications on the camera at that point. But the way you get it, you don't need to do anything special. Okay, that by default all works. Again, I always click the right button and it sends me back to the main screen right there. All right, so we see backup, we look volume. I'm going to go on the setup second. Network status, show you all the network connections. Okay, and that. So my next thing is I'm going to go into setup guide. So setup guide, pretty simple. Set the time, day, right? You want time synchronization through the network. All right, and we want to enable the setup guide because I want to show you that. So we're going to click next. All right, well, this is actually regulation, local regulations, and that's the auto select. You go auto select, and that's the channel. In reality, should be 11 channels. All right, and they ask you there, they say, oh, make sure you do that regulation, local, conform. You can do it if you want, and we'll do that for you. Now, the next thing on this system, and I didn't tell you right in the beginning, is you can connect Wi-Fi. Everything is Wi-Fi. Not only you can connect with the RJ45 Ethernet cable like I showed you in the beginning, but it can be 100% Wi-Fi. So right now it's 100% Wi-Fi. The system, the camera, the whole thing out. So you can put it anywhere you want it. That's super cool. All right, so here you're gonna choose your network. You're gonna put your password. We see the signal and show you right there. So connected in a 5 gigahertz network, and that's the only thing you need to do. Okay. Up to the point when you do that, you apply, and then you go next. The next one, and you have to wait a little bit, and that shows online here. Okay, and it's online right now. You're gonna scan this up. You need to download the app. All right, so you're gonna download the app, and then with your phone, you put here, and I'm going to change camera so that I can show you that. If you see right there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go scan, and then just go and scan the screen. So you scan it right on the screen, and that automatically will hit that for you. That's exactly what I just did. You see right over here, play. Right now there's no camera hookup, but let's few things we can do from here. Light control, if you have the system now, you light control. Okay, intercom, and be able to, and talk to the cameras. This one has no speakers. All right, so I can talk to the camera, PTZ. If I have the camera, I can control that. I can record and do all the things from here. But remember, the system has been doing that. So, but if you want to local record, that will be recorded right on your phone. But the system will do that for you all the time. And then we can change it to SD or HD, all right? And we can change, okay, A4. It depends how you want it. There's no camera hooked up, that's why it looks that way. All right, now at this point you can format the drive. I said it's 1 terabyte. I don't need to format the drive. It comes already pre-formatted. But if you want it, you can do that. Maybe delete all the information out of that, and then it's how you how to download the app. So whatever you want to, just go scan it or just search for it. And at that point, we click done. All right, that's it. Now let's go into the main configuration of this. So we got setup, and let's go to the system settings. System settings, pretty much that's the resolution. You can go up to 2K, auto lag off. You know, if you want to sound on the keyboard, right, because that will play that in the speaker right there. You know, connections, and you want the setup guide ID enable. You want the ID, a screen, time show, and the view. All right, recorded settings. Now, recorded settings is pretty simple. Remember, red, it means record all the time. And the one green means motion detection. And the other one is the alarm. Here we have the alarm connection. So you can change all the time. You can change to motion only, and you can actually go here and change the time and activate it the way you want. Maybe you want motion detection, maybe you want to record at all. So you can really go and apply or select whatever you want that recorder now. All right. So that's the record plan. Right? Now the recorder. Then we have the network settings. Now we have the CH setting channels, and from here we can, if we want, we can put a here, change the color, put the name from yard, back door. We can change the name and automatically will show it up on the camera each screen you're looking at, so you know that. And we have the video detection here, right? Sensor notification if you want. So there's a lot of things we can do here. Check the big rate of the camera and the encoded settings. All right, I will leave it the way it is. I will not change anything else. And remember, you need to change your password. So you have to go and update your password. One of the things you can do from here, we can reset. This is called a simple reset. So a lot of things are still there. And you can export the configuration just in case you reset it and you want to save that. System maintenance. One thing you can do, you can reboot, and you can have auto reboot daily, monthly, weekly, or every day if you want the system. And you can do system upgrade. And you can add users. Remember, now as a super user, we need to actually set the password. There is no password in the systems right now. Okay, so that's about it. I think that everything is there. So now let's plug one camera. So let me apply power to the camera. So now in reality, that's when you get it from the manufacturer. You don't need to do anything. Just plug it in and that's it. And what you need to do really is set your password. Okay, and if you want to record 24/7, it will record 24/7. You can play with that. And then I think that's it, right? We set that up. Let's wait and let's get the screen. And we got it right there. So now, if I look at my phone, in real time already show up over here. Let me see a ver si tiene volumen esto. Hola, hola. Hola, hola, hola. ¿Cómo? Ok, hola, hola. Hola, hola, yeah, hola, hola, hola. Hola, 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 hola. Yeah, no, the camera has that. Okay, so if I go to my app, and the instant shows there, that was a cool thing. As I was talking, it actually shows up in my. So if I go here, we can see right there. Now remember, the type of cameras we have here, there is no speaker, so there's no way. But if you have all the cameras, you can actually send voice message to the camera. All right, you can do a screenshot right here, or I've recorded and I've recorded, but that's a local and recording right over here. All right, and looks real nice. So if I press right here, now I can just hear myself because it does have a microphone there. All right, so let me go and get that screen bigger there, so you see all that and you get it in real time. It's great. I love it. I love the system. It's a real nice system. It's super easy. I did this real time, guys. I did this real time. No, nothing much into it. Super easy. All the control depends on what all the cameras you're going to be adding into it. But so what we need to do today in this case, the only thing we need to do is plug it in. Put the cameras in the location you have to put it in. Right. Set your password. Right. Connect it to the Wi-Fi if you want, or connect it to the regular network, right? And then that's it. Maybe if you want, I will leave it 24/7. So how are you going to secure your home or secure your business, your property? Well, you need to get one of these systems, the whole package. I'm going to make it super simple for you guys. I will leave the link right below. Just grab it from there, and you can start securing your home or business or property right, today. And then, come back and leave me a comment on the video. Let me know what you think. That was that easy, that way I showed you to set up this thing. I think you will say, yes, Dario, super easy to set up.